What's going on, YouTube? Hey, stay tuned. I'm gonna show you one trick on how you can get more money on your paycheck every week, which equals to more money a month, anywhere between $200 and $500 every month from doing one thing. Stay tuned. What's going on, wonderful people out there in YouTube world? Today I'm going to show you one trick that I learned recently about how to get more money on your paycheck. Legally too. It ain't nothing illegal. And it may be something most people know. It may be common knowledge, but I just didn't know it. I'm going to start off by saying this. I have been working for 20 years. I started working when I was like 14 and a half. And, that was back in 1998. Now it's 2018. And I just now found out something very crazy that I didn't know. It may be common knowledge, like I said, but I didn't know it. I didn't know that the whole time that I've been working a job, that I've been filling out my W-4 form out wrong. Wrong. Most of the times I claim zero. I think a lot of people do that because they want to get a bigger refund at the end of the year, which is cool. There's nothing wrong with that. But what you initially end up doing is you end up giving the IRS a tax-free loan with your money every year when you do that. Pardon me, an interest-free loan, not a tax-free loan. Meaning that you get money deducted out of your paycheck and the government takes it and they invest it and they make a profit off of it. And then at the end of the year, they give you your money back. But you didn't gain any interest on it. You didn't make any money off the money. You gave your money to the IRS and they made money off your money and just gave you money back. But I'm going to show you a different way to do it. What I realized on my W-4 is that, I've had businesses and been a sole proprietor and things of that nature. But I didn't realize that I could actually, I worked full time and I had a business, and I didn't realize that I could claim deductions on my W-4 based off of that. So all these years I've been paying, the highest amount of taxes by claiming zero. And I could have been keeping some of that money in my pocket and eliminating debt, increasing my savings, increasing my investments, and then claim my deductions at the end of the year, and it'll even out. All the time that I've been doing this, I didn't realize that at a job, they only give you one page of the W-4. One page. And, since I didn't have any kids and things like that, I didn't think that, I didn't think about it. I just put zero. Like, I just get my money at the end of the year. What I didn't realize is that there's 3 other pages to the W-4. 3 other pages. So, recently, I started a business. So, with this information, I printed out my W-4 and worked out the worksheets. The other ones that's attached to it, and realized that I had dependents. I had allowances. Things that I could use to increase the money in my paycheck. And with this new knowledge, see, now I can start really, really, really building my financial future by first paying off debt, getting that out the way. Secondly, investing in my business and saving more for retirement, because that's also a tax benefit too. And I'm not a CPA or anything, but get with somebody that can help you fill out the form a lot better. A CPA, somebody at your bank, and a financial advisor, and you could have more money during the year. Just filling it out right. So you don't want to owe money in taxes at the end of the year. But yeah, when I found that out, it opened my eyes to something new that I didn't even know that I should know. I should have probably been taught this in high school, but of course they don't teach us about money in high school. But yeah, if you get a chance, hey, check it out. Maybe you maybe passing up on some money that you can use to pay off debt. Student loan. Everybody seems to have student loan debt, credit card debt, things of that nature. You can pay off your credit cards and decrease your debt and have more money in your pocket every month. That's where the $200 to $500 comes in, because you're paying that extra $200 to $500 to the government, and they're using it to their benefit, but you're not using it to your benefit. You could be using that extra $200 to $500, and it could even be more depending on how much you make. Um, you could be using it to your benefit to become financially free, to build your business or whatever you try to do, or save for retirement. Just other things other than just, not being informed about it and just giving your money to the government every month. And they're capitalizing on it. So I just wanted to put that information out there. I did it. I changed mine, and I'm about to start going to 2019 with a plan to become financially free, man. My goal is to be a full-time entrepreneur, and I'm doing everything I can to make that happen. Well, with that being said, hopefully you can use that information to your benefit. God bless. Have a good day.